don't fall for scammers. If you want to invest smarter, profits, you want to make bigger profits in Lagos real estate or any part of Nigeria, you need to learn how to protect that your property dream. Instead of it turning into nightmare, you need to actually protect it. And how do you do that? Is for you to enroll in this due diligence course. Listen to me. If you are planning to invest in land or house in Lagos or any other state, before you take that critical step, is something you must know. Many people, just like you, have lost everything because they did not understand the importance of due diligence. Don't let this happen to you. You can see I'm taking it gently to tell you, don't let this happen to you, because there's actually an hidden danger waiting for you if you don't listen to what I'm telling you. Imagine the heartbreak of losing your entire estate because of single oversight. This devastating reality, many have faced it. And when they fall victim to this scam, is because of they neglected this step before buying. There are different stories out there. I've posted a story of a popular comedian, Sabalo. It was scam of 60 million naira. If not very dark man, who knows? He wouldn't have even gotten anything. They've caught the person, but the person doesn't have the money anymore. But at least there's a step of recovery. There's another story of also that I posted on my YouTube channel of a young woman who bought a house without verifying it, and before you know what happened, the government came and said because of drainage challenge, and they do what? They bulldozer the house and destroy the house. Don't allow that to happen to you. There's another one which I also posted on my YouTube channel of a woman in diaspora who lost her entire savings to her uncle because he used man no man, and the uncle decided to eat the money because of what? He decided to use his uncle to buy land when they are professionals. But you know what? This wouldn't have happened to them if they've done it this right way. That is why I'm introducing you to this particular course on due diligence. This is the best way to defend yourself against property scam. We've designed this course to be comprehensive, to protect you from this pitfall, and also to save that course. This is not just any other course. It is your lifeline to making safe, informed, and also secure your future. Let me tell you the course objective so that you know that this course, we prepared it having you in mind. In this course, you will understand the key elements of due diligence, especially in Lagos or any other major city. You also identify common scam and fraud practice in the markets, and that is not all. You also learn how to verify property ownership and title authenticity, and that is not all. You will master the process of evaluating property documents and also contracts. You will gain insight into the legal framework that is covering real estate market, especially in Lagos. And also, you can develop a strategy to minimize risks when it comes to return on investment. That is not all. Let me tell you what you will gain when you finally get access to the full training. You know, the shocking truth is this. What you think you know about this due diligence might be wrong. That is the shocking truth. And many people think that they understand what due diligence is all about, but they don't. This mistake has cost them everything. And in fact, what you don't know can still hurt you, but there are common traps that are out there, which if you don't take action, you will regret it. And that is the first thing we want to talk about in the module 1. We'll talk about how to prevent future regrets. The essential due diligence investigation that every buyer, every buyer, you, what you need to conduct. We'll talk about 5 frightening Nigerian real estate reality that you can afford to ignore. This is the reality. We'll talk about that in module 1. Then we'll go further to module true. You know, diligence is a lifesaver. If you don't do the right thing, you will lose your money, and I don't want that to happen to you. And understanding the step that you need to protect yourself and your family future is very, very important. That will be our major focus in Module 2, which is how you can protect your investments. The 4 critical type of real estate investment that you need to know, and also how you can avoid costly surprises. The importance of you going through or doing what they call physical inspection. Do you know how to do physical inspection? Or you just go and just look and look? No, there are more things you need to know. Then we'll go further to share with you 7 hidden real estate risks that can turn that your dream investment into nightmare. How you can avoid it. Then we'll talk about investment security, a proven method that you can use to safeguard your real estate risks. We'll go further on how you can avoid dangerous house collapse and expert tips on how you can maintain your structure so that your structure will not be destroyed. Then we'll go further on how to protect your land from land grabber and what we call in Lagos omonile. Oh, that's your wicked uncle. Then we'll take it further from start to finish, how to do an effective and how you can perform due diligence. Then also, that is not all, we'll take it further to the most common hindrance that can stand against you becoming that legal ownership or that legal owner of that property which you own. You know, you can own a property, but you might not be the legal owner of that particular property. Then we'll take it further, still Module 2, to who does due diligence in real estate. Then let's go to Module 3. Trusting the wrong company can be something that you will regret forever when you trust the wrong company. And too many people have trusted the wrong estate company, and that has made them to lose everything. I don't want you to be so. Learning how to choose a trustworthy company will make you end well, but if the reverse is the case, you will not want to go through that route. Then this Module 2, we'll talk about how to do a proper diligence when you are buying from a real estate company. This is very important. The method using doing due diligence when you buy from a real estate company is different, and we'll still go further to talk about how you can do your due diligence if you are buying from the families or money level. This is very, very important. You follow this step. But that is what we'll talk more in the Module 3. Then in Module 4, we have what they call registered and unregistered property. This is the line between safety and disaster. If you buy unregistered property, you might lose everything in legal battle, and you don't want to take that risk, right? But if you can learn how you can legally register that property you buy, even when it's not a registered property, you can avoid that nightmare. And even if you want to buy unregistered property, how you can go about it. Then in this module, we're talking about what is a registered title. Then the advantage of having a registered title on a land. Number 5 mode is about understanding ownership. A mistake here could cost you everything. If you don't verify ownership, you could face endless legal issue. And many people have learned in the hard way, just like this popular guy on Facebook, the dark man will say, you will learn the hard way. But you will discover how you can check ownership and protect your investments. That is what we will be covering in this Module 5. The different sorts of ownership and how ownership can be gotten. How you can avoid disaster dispute, how the root of that land or that title can save you or sink you. That is what you learn in this Module 5. Common terms that are used in real estate that every single investor should use, so that when you are reading your contract, you understand what it is written there. Not just don't just want to put your money. You need to understand those terms, so that those terms can make you or can sink you. Common example of gazette and when gazette is used in real estate. That is what we're going to cover in this Module 5. Also, there are bonuses in this course. The first bonus, I'm going to talk more on certificate of occupancy. That document can save you from endless worry, because without the right certificate, your property might not be secure, and that can lead you to sleepless nights and regret. You will learn about the different type of certificate of occupancy. It's very important you learn this. Then number 2, bonuses. I'll be sharing with you about you hiring the right professionals. This is like the best defense against those costly mistakes. Without the right expert, the risk of you making that expensive mistake is there. So don't take this bonus number 2 lightly, because you will understand the importance of having the right people in your side, and how you can read the body language and catch the sign when there is trouble. Then bonus number 3, I love this one so much. This bonus number 3 is something that I know you want to take advantage of also, because a lot of people want to invest in real estate but they want to cash out on time. So I'll be sharing with you 3 safe ways to invest in real estate without really buying property. Sometimes the best kind of investment is the one you don't even worry about. Discover this alternative way to invest in real estate without stress. That is what I'll be sharing with you as bonuses in the number 3. Then let's go to the last part, which is how much do you think all these things I've just said worth? If I was to bring 500,000, is okay. It's just chicken change, because to prevent you from you losing that 30 million, that 40 million, that 100 million, that 200 million. But I will not do that. Even as you bring 50,000 naira, is still worth more than that. Or even 40,000 naira is always much more than that. But you know what? For the pre-launch price, we'll be giving this. I know my staff member will not be happy with this, but it's for your own good. I'm doing this for you. We'll be giving this for just 15 what is 15 million naira? No, I'm used to million. For 15,000 naira, which is about $10 plus about $10 to $11. So if you are buying outside the country, you will see it in dollars, because you are paying online with Paystack. You are paying with Paystack online. So when you click on the link below, you will see 15,000 naira, or you pay about $10 some cents. Then you can pay that. Then when you pay, immediately you click on it, automatically you pay with your card or do transfer. Then you immediately have access to the full cost. Note, this price is pre-launch. It's actually a pre-launch price. The price will increase. When will the price increase? Very soon. So don't wait for it to start rushing. How much? 15,000 naira. 15,000 naira cannot even buy a buffet in a hotel. In short, sitting down one place, 15,000 naira is gone. So this is just a giveaway. So take advantage of this before you hear that the price has increased, or I will stop selling it. So the reason why I'm doing this course is because of you. And don't try to bargain or think about 15,000 naira when you might end up losing your 300 million naira, your 500 million naira, your 1 million naira. So take advantage of this course now. Click on the link around this video now and buy and own this course now. I appreciate you. My name is Dennis Isong. I'm a top operator in Lagos. Yeah, you can Google my name. You see that I know what I'm doing. I'm the best. So order now. Click the link below now to do that now. Catch you.